Hi and welcome to the Bumblebee tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to do this bumblebee that you see on screen now. It is part of a combo tutorial set, the bumblebee, the firefly and the butterfly. So in this tutorial I'll show you how we do this beautiful bumblebee design. So we're going to learn about working in layers, adding detail on our layers, adding background, and then also we're going to do a little bit of antique leaf designs on the border here. So before we get started, I would like to just take you through the basic materials that we're going to use and the basic tools that you're going to use, together with our three different surfaces. So first of all, we have our hard surface, which I use a ceramic tile, which is smooth and has got no texture on. You're going to work a lot on this hard surface from the front of your design. Secondly, we have our lino sheet, which I use for working from the front of my design to add extra height and to emboss my piece. The lino sheet is a semi-soft surface, and then to add height from the back of our design we use 4 layers of felt material. Now you can replace any of these with substitutes if you don't have them. So if you don't have a ceramic tile, you can always use a piece of glass, which is nice and thick. If you don't have a lino sheet, you can use a stack of papers. And if you don't have felt material, you can also use a washcloth, the yellow ones, just in different layers. I like using one long piece of felt material, so I just fold it into the amount of levels that I would like to have. Then if we look at the tools that we're going to use, to start off with, you will need a 0.5mm metal ball tool. You will need a skew flat tip Teflon tool. I will also use a sharp pointed Teflon tip, and then 2 different sizes of paper stumps, one with a sharp flat tip and then one with a rounded tip, which I will use for adding height from the back. And then in this design we're going to use 5 different sizes of ball and cup tools. So we'll have a big one, it's got the big ball on the one side and then the cup on the other side, and then we've got 4 more, all ranging from small to big. So these are the tools that we will be using in this workshop. At the end of the workshop we will also be using a dry point needle to cut out our design. Besides the tools, you would also need some lubricant to add to your pewter. For that purpose I use some baby oil, and this is just to allow the metal ball tools to glide on the pewter. I will use some methylated spirits for cleaning, and then we will use a metal polish to polish, some black patina to add some antique finish to the pewter, and then some various colors of alcohol inks to color our design with.